Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you how I turned a few DollarTree products into a farmhouse-style tabletop Christmas decor piece. What you're going to need is one of these wine signs, a metal word, a white tree, and the red truck ornament. I did remove the Christmas sign. I also used a piece of scrapbooking paper and cotton balls. The first thing I did was remove the vinyl, only to discover this is not wood at all. It's some kind of MDF, but no worries. We're going to paint it white using chalk paint. It covered it pretty well. The next thing I did was remove the little tacky tree from the truck. And I chose the word peace and painted it black. Once it was dry, I used hot glue to stand it up inside the frame. Use it sparingly, but we will be covering it up. I also cut out some circles with punches because I'm going to recreate the tires for my truck. The Dollar Tree cotton balls actually will unroll, so I took a few and unrolled them, and I'm going to use those as my snow. I hot glued them to the front of the word and to the back of the word, and now the hot glue is covered up and you don't even see it anymore. The next thing I did was took the tire piece off of the truck and used it as a template on the scrapbooking paper and cut it out. I also painted the truck black and cut a rectangle for the truck bed. I snapped it all together, gluing the paper on, and I hot glued the tree onto the truck and the truck onto the sign, and it was complete. The hardest part of this project is basically getting that darn vinyl off of the box frame. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give it a like if you did. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you. Bye-bye.